So I finally got my Cricut machine out, and today we're going to be making Colton's goodie bags. We're going to use these blue colored goodie bags, as well as, not this, I just wanted to match the color, but I'm thinking it's going to be these 3 colors, or maybe just those 2. I have to grab some of the other party supplies to see what's going to match the best, but we're just going to do the Roblox sign on these and the symbol. So I'll show you how I do it. So the color is actually closer to this yellow than, well, than that one. So we're just going to go ahead with this yellow and this red color, and we're going to go ahead and make our Roblox R's. So I have it all set up here in my app to print those, and I'm going to go ahead and print them on this and make it. Now we're going to go on with the yellow one. We're just going to do the same thing. This one's finished cutting. It's kind of hard to see. I'll show you when after I get done weeding it out. And that is how it turned out. We have 2 versions. Look like this and like this. When I was doing it this way, taking it off was so hard, and I realized when I did it, I also cut off the top up here. So when I went to like peel it, it was like really thin. So for the yellow one, I'm just gonna do the inner letter to make it easier on myself. I'm gonna see if I have any white vinyl. If I do, then this is just easier. You could have used cardstock, but then you would have to glue it. So I'm like, let's just take the easiest route possible, and that is this. And it is the Sunday before his party, so the weekend prior. Trying to get a teeny tiny head start, because I still obviously like have to clean the house and all the stuff before the party. So yeah, so this is how they turned out. This is how they look, and I will show you obviously the full results during the party. So I decided to use my Cricut to make these little teeny tiny, get it to focus, hold on, little teeny tiny Roblox R's along with the bigger ones, and I'm going to put the small ones around this menu. So I just created this menu in Photoshop, and then I just put it on like a cardstock, and then I'm going to put the little R's all around it. And then I'm also making like an adults only sign. I'll show you them when they are done, but that is what I'm currently working on. As you can see, I'm printing the small R's on here. Most of the goodie bags are done over here, while these guys are really lazy. And I just have a table full of stuff, and my trusty favorite Starbucks drink, which is a iced chai latte with cinnamon almond. It's not focusing, and I do not know why. There we go. With almond milk, and I added cold foam, cinnamon cold foam, but it is almond milk and stevia. So my favorite drink. Now we're going to go ahead and do the menu. So I'm going to just put the little ones all around. Take this out. out. And I'm actually going to go ahead and just get this printed, all of them printed with the small ones, just in case I need to use them. I just want to put my Cricut away, so I want to just print everything. So I'm just re-sticking on the ones that I did this, and I'm going to print like the tiny little R's across the bottom. And I'll show you, this is what the template looks like in my phone. So it's just pretty small. And Cricuts are super easy to use. So I didn't show you too much, but you just click continue in the bottom corner. And then you wait. And then over here, buttons blink. And you press this one to feed it in. And then once it's finished there, it'll start blinking in the middle, and it kind of tells you what's going on your phone also. And then it's going to go ahead and start making it for me. So I'm going to call it a day. I can't zoom out any further, but I'm just starting to organize. And I printed a ton of R's, so they'll be here if I need them for anything. But here is our menu. And then we are gonna have a margarita machine, which I think I said that, so we're gonna have to put that up so the kids know not to drink it. And then this is just the menu, the goodie bags, and I'm done. So now I can put the Cricut away for now, and I have enough R's to use for the rest of the party. I'll show you the rest of the stuff that I got as soon as everything gets here. I'm waiting on a few things from Amazon, and then I will show it to you, and then obviously I will show you everything once it's set up. So I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. If you are, please give it a thumbs up and consider sharing it with your friends. I know I had a hard time finding Roblox ideas online, but my son insisted on a Roblox party, so here we are. I hope that you guys find it helpful. I have everything here on the floor ready to go. I have all my balloons, his balloon happy birthday. I finally invested in an electronic balloon pump because even with the hand pump, it's a freaking nightmare. So I have those things, and then I have these over here on the couch, which will put the balloons on right here and then slide them on the balloon arch. And that's my trash. So let's get And since my son never wears clothes, I didn't get to show you this part, but he actually blew up all of these for himself and laid them on the couch like that. So that's what we have. And then we have these balloons here. I don't think this is going to be enough, so I'm going to put it together on the arch and see if it is. And if not, then I have more balloons. They just don't match exactly, which kind of bothers me, but I will deal with it because we obviously want the balloon arch to be full. It is kind of loud, so I apologize. My husband's cleaning outside in the pitch dark, but I wanted to show you the party favors that are going into the bags. So the bouncy balls and the candy necklaces are from Walmart. I will put a link down below for them. And then I bought a large pack from Amazon that had a bunch of stuff in it. So in the pack from Amazon, It came with these, as well as these little squishy toys, as well as the little skateboards, the little Tetris cubes, the snappy bracelets for the girls, and then the sticky hands. So all of those came in one pack on Amazon. And then these clappy hands, they came from Walmart. And then these bracelets, they also came from Amazon. And I did save some to give to the kids as they come into the party, so they match, so the kids can wear them at the party. But these will go into the goodie bags. So I will link everything down below for you, but this is what's going inside the goodie bags, along with some candy. Making the goodie bags because some people didn't RSVP, so I'm just gonna make 12 just to be on the safe side, but I think that there'll be less kids. So Colton and I did this. We put it on to the arch, and it looks like we do have enough balloons. There's gonna be like a little bit on the edge, but honestly, the other ones don't match enough, and it's probably gonna drive me more crazy than some missing balloons. So that is that. And then we moved these over here. Cookies, the goodie bags with wristbands, the piñata,